Welcome again, Shakey's and Peri Peri in the city of Manila. I am grateful to the Shakey's family and Peri Peri for continued support and believing in the city of Manila. You know, Manila is a huge market. There are about 1.9 million nighttime population and 3 million daytime. There's always a business for everyone in Manila, no? And I'm happy, ito dati, atrasado itong lugar na to, pero ngayon, ang ganda-ganda. I'm happy for the property owners, the businesses, and most of all, I am happy, ito in line with our program and priorities. You know, I'm a believer of MBN, or what you call minimum basic needs. Housing, education, healthcare, and jobs. It's always like that. Doon lang iikot ang buhay, gastusin, at pagpupuhunan ng inyong pamahalang lungsod. And for us to have jobs to be made available for our businesses to come in, we liberalize our rules in acquiring permits. Mas madali. Dapat baliktarin natin ang mundo. I did it in my first term, pero nabago ulit. But anyway, moving on, we brought back the same policy where in those 3 years, hundreds of billions every year going in Manila from the private sectors. Now, we're doing the same thing na kung saan dati kasi yung gobyerno ng Maynila walang tiwala sa negosyante kung sila ba'y nagtatapat at nagsasabi ng totoo sa kanilang mga idineklara. Kaya yung mga negosyante 3 buwan na, 4 na buwan na, hindi pa nakakapagbukas ng negosyo. Now it's different. We trust first the business that they stated the true nature of their investment and the industry. And we give permit so that they can operate already. And we check later on. Kailangan baliktad kung gusto tayo pagkatiwalaan ng tao, tayo muna magtiwala sa tao. Dapat gano'n ang gobyerno. Now, look around. Ito, kayo na testigo. This is a true business in one corner alone. Look how many jobs that was made because of this business. And more so, siyempre, special mention lang yung mga lolo't lola ko. At saka yung ating mga PWD. Ulitin mo ha. Ayan. Ibig sabihin, galingan nyo. I'm really happy that we're giving second win for our seniors. I'm really happy making more or giving more value to our PWDs as part of the society. In a normal setting, malaking bagay yan. Kaya dapat itong Shakey sa Peri Peri mabasa ng ulan. Dumami na sila. Basta to the Shakey's family, the Peri Peri group of companies are always welcome in Manila. In our own little way, mabubuti naman kami bilang gobyerno. Mabubuti kami. Pipilitin namin maging eficiente at maging maayos, maliwalas. I'm always telling this, yes, Manila is old. While we're old, we have a lot of history. And the least thing that we can do as government is to make it pleasant. Maliwalas ang lungsod at payapa, panatag ang pamumuhay. And with that, more jobs, more opportunity, and maraming komersyo. At lahat yan, nakaimbudo. At the end of the day, nakaimbudo yan. Bakit? Uuwi lahat sa gobyerno yan. and more resources later on, and services will be provided. So talaga yung ikot at inog ng salapi lalong bibilis, what you call the velocity of money. More businesses, more jobs, later on, more sources for the national and local government. So today, congratulations. Sa mga mga trabahante, ito naman ang pakiusap. Pagmalasakit nyo yung pagkakataon, pagmalasakitan nyo yung negosyo. Yung inyong sarili, of course, yung pamilya, pero hindi naman siguro masama na lingunin natin yung mga taong nagbigay sa atin ng opportunity. The more you excel from your field of undertaking, the more that they are going to succeed. And when they succeed, more businesses for the city and more jobs again. So talagang wala yan. It's a snowball. It's a snowball. Iikot yan. At bago bumagsak ang snow sa baba, malaking-malaki na. Yan gugulong ang muling kagalingan ng ating lungsod. So, together, private sectors, the public, the government, if we work hand in hand, if we work together, we can make Manila great again. Magandang araw. Maraming salamat sa inyo. At pagpalain naman kayo ng sabay-sabay. Manila! God first! God first. Thank you.